Hi there, e-commerce friends. Marco here from Wonder Ads. In this video, I would like to talk about the difference when it comes to Facebook ads and YouTube ads. So first of all, people go to Facebook because they want to socialize. It's like going to the bar of your city. People want to interact, engage with each other, and so forth. On YouTube, on the other hand, people go there with a specific intent. For example, they want to lose weight. They go and might type in how to lose weight and so forth. So Facebook is purely by interest targeting when you target people. Facebook will identify those different signals of Facebook, if what people are liking, where they're commenting and so forth, what fan pages they might like. But then when it comes to YouTube, you have more ways. You can not only go by interest targeting, but you can also target for the specific intent of what users might look for. That might happen, for example, with keyword targeting, which you don't have in Facebook. In the second video, I will talk a little bit more about the differences when it comes to Facebook and YouTube. And if you like tips like this one, then go to our website at wonderads.agency and subscribe to our newsletter. Until the next time, talk to you soon. Bye.